Hey, Rodney, founder of CEO Waldo here. I wanted to give you a peek at this new feature that the team's been working on, which I think is really cool, called Smart Albums. All you do is tap the SA up here in the top right. I don't know if you're like me, my camera roll on my iPhone is just a complete disaster, between the screenshots and photos of receipts and paint cans from Home Depot and blurry photos. It's just almost unusable. So we've launched this really cool feature to help pull all your memories out of your camera roll and make them usable and shareable. So what you see here is we've broken it between major holidays, non-holiday travel, and moments made close to home. So let's dive in here. I'm going to allow access to full photos. I'm going to tell it which major holidays I celebrate, and then yep, boom, off to the races here. Okay, cool. So it's removing Christmas clutter. It's finding Memorial Day keepers. Oh wow, it's moving pretty quick. There's already suggested albums for review here. Let's check it out. 13 Christmas albums. Let's dive in right there. That sounds interesting. Ooh, 2009, 2010. Oh, the kids are so young. Oh wow. Let's see, what is this? Okay, yeah, so this is telling me that these photos are not currently in my Waldo app. They're not in the Waldo cloud. They're just on my phone. And so I have to approve them before they'll actually be in the app. So let's see, this top section, these are the keepers for Christmas 2009. Let's see. Yep, that's gold. Yep, that's gold. Let's see what we got down here in clutter. Yep, don't want that photo. That's garbage. Okay, cool. So it looks like it did a really good job there. Let's see here. It's asking me, do I want to create a gallery of all my Christmas albums? Absolutely. That would be awesome. Okay, so I'm going to create a Christmas gallery. Let's see what we got here. Okay, it's asking me if I want to review another year, create an album out of another year, or invite folks to my Christmas gallery. I'm going to dive into another year. So see 2010. Oh yeah, these look really awesome. Super cool. Oh my gosh, the kids are so young. This is crazy. I'm gonna get rid of that photo, so you can easily just tap the blue check mark if you want to get rid of something. Let's see what it put down in clutter. Yep, that's clutter. Yep, that's clutter. Those are garbage. So that's cool. Okay, all right, I'm gonna create 2010 album, add it to that Christmas gallery. Okay, cool. So I've created, so those you can see up top here, those are being uploaded to the Waldo cloud and made permanently part of my app. Let's see what else we got. Let's back out here and see what's going on. Okay, yeah, so while we were doing that, it has created 145 albums for travel, non-holiday travel, with almost 4,700 photos. Can't wait to check that out. And then, oh, that just finished. Moments close to home, 141 albums out of moments that have been made close to home over the last 12 to 15 years. Can't wait to check that out as well. Let's see. So over here in the actual Waldo app, on my events page, you can see this Christmas gallery has now been created, and it has those two albums that we went through and I decided to create. So that's awesome. Yeah, would love to, I think it's super cool. I'm getting a ton of value out of it. I would love to get your feedback if you check it out. Please email me at feedback@waldophotos.com. I will personally read every email. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, I hope you and your family and loved ones get some value out of it. I'm getting tons of value out of it. It's reuniting with memories I haven't seen in 10, 12, 15 years. Yeah, I can't wait I'm going to have my spouse, I'm going to have her do it. And then I know she's got just incredible photos on her phone, but they're impossible to find. And so I'm going to have her add her photos to these galleries, and then we're just going to have priceless memories easily accessible. Yeah, it's going to be super cool. Anyway, check it out.